am April F. De Leon and I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. Currently, I am teaching mathematics at Aglanot Integrated School, handling grade 7 to 10 students. And I have been teaching for 8 years now. I earned my bachelor's degree in secondary education, majoring in mathematics from Hercor College. I then pursued a master and a doctorate degree both in mathematics from Philomere Christian University. These learning experiences have equipped me with innovative strategies to make learning math more engaging and exciting. What I love most about teaching is the ability to make a real difference in students' lives. Seeing their excitement when they finally understand a challenging concept is incredibly rewarding. And this reminds me why I choose this profession. I am excited about the opportunity to share my passion for teaching and the Filipino value of bayanihan to students in the United States. Together, I believe we can create a learning environment that not just only challenges but also inspires. Thank you for your time and I look forward to be part of your school community.